everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wooden paperweight. Obviously, it's made out of wood, that's why I said wooden. So this particular block came in a set of, I want to say 15. I got these at the Dollar Tree. Here's what I'm going to be using to make it. This is first of all pre-cut, so you don't need to cut it. These are called gemstones. They come with silver, pink, green, blue, and a darker blue. As you can see, some are missing. I made a family member a actual paperweight for a birthday gift, and she did appreciate that. So here's what you want to do. You take your block, put it there, and you want to determine which side is going to be the bottom and which side is going to be the top. So this side's a little kind of faded down, so that'll be the bottom. So here's what you do. You open these up. Just give me 1 second here. Pull them out. And this is going to be my paperweight right here. So you have jewel. Basically, this looks like a sticker bejeweled set. Yes, from that game. You have diamonds, you have a rectangle, and you have a circle. So for me, the top will always have one of these. But you could do it differently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. And then what I'm going to do is put it in the center, make it as center as possible, like that. So there we go. So now I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to put it on the side here, just like that. Now I'm going to take a diamond and I'm going to put it on there we go. Make sure it's center as possible. So now I have a diamond. And I'm going to do this as well. Just like that. I'm going to take another diamond. And put that on there just like this. So now this is my paperweight. So if I turn the camera down and do that, there you go. This is what my paperweight looks like. As you can see, this is my paper. This is my weight. There we go. Easy as anything. It's so this project with the stuff that I had bought, even though I bought it for multiple projects, this stuff only cost me $3, and you can make multiple paperweights. So if you divide however many paperweights you make by how much you pay for the materials, it's pretty cheap. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And if I turn it, that's what it looks like, that's what it looks like, that's what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.